Now this beat right here is going to use a combination of the sounds that's inside the Mpc Key and some of my sounds, the repository, cycle kits, MIDI progressions. Told you I love this piano. We go to pad perform. I'm going to go to Masada piano 21. I record that. Sounds like a sample, right? My MIDI progressions mixed with the sounds that's in here. Kai did a really good job. This patch is called Gala. Another one of my favorite patches in this machine is from the OPX4. I need an organ. This sound is one of my favorites. This is from the repository, Voice 6. This beat I made is in D. I want to go into keyboard control. I want to make sure that I'm in D because I'm going to go now to Cycle Kit 5, the Kai S950 sine bass. So I use this a lot. I set it to keyboard control, so I always stay in the scale of D. Last but not least, we go to the drum. You hear how all of this sounds together.